If perpendicular lines M and N intersect at 0B in the standard XY coordinate plane, what is the value of B? So if I have perpendicular lines, what does that mean? So perpendicular lines, they have slopes that are negative reciprocals of each other. And other than that, I know my two perpendicular lines, they share this point here. So it looks like they share a y-intercept. Then I got to find the value of B. So let's look at the statements. The slope of the line M is -1/2. So now if I want to try and make equations in the form of y equals mx plus b. So for line M, I can say y is equal to -1/2 x plus b. So this y-intercept here is this b over here. And then for line N, what is the negative reciprocal of -1/2? It's +2. So its equation is y equals 2x plus b. But so they're asking us to solve for this y-intercept, and it looks like even though we have two equations, we still don't have enough information. So just knowing that they share this y-intercept, that y-intercept can still be anything. So like we can have two lines that intercept at 0, 2, for example, and we got one line, so this would be our negative slope line, and then our positive slope line would go something like that. But we can do the same thing, just move these guys up here so that they intersect at 0, 4. So this gets us a little bit closer. We can at least draw some examples here, but we don't definitively know what B is, so this is insufficient. Here the point -1, 0 is on line N. So remember, we got to forget this information here. So really we don't, this doesn't help a ton, because without knowing anything about the slopes, this isn't going to be helpful. This just allows us to, so we know line N goes through point -1, 0. That's over here, and 0B, and we have no idea where that is, so we can't even really plot what line N looks like. So together, we know that for line N, so we have these two equations here to start from the first statement, and then we know when I plug -1 in for x in my equation for line N, I should get 0 for y. So 0 is equal to 2 times -1 plus b. Remember, these two b's here, these are the same b because they share a y-intercept. And so here I'm going to be able to solve for b, and it looks like together they will be sufficient. So 0 is equal to -2 plus b. B is equal to 2, which, what do you know? The one at the thing I came up with ended up being the answer. C.